Edusoft Robotix. Comprehensive STEM and robotics solution.
Hello, students. Welcome to Edusoft Robotix. In this tutorial, we will understand the basics of electricity using a simple circuit in Tinkercad. Step 1. Place a breadboard and a 9-volt battery on the work plane. Step 2. Place an LED on the breadboard as shown here. Repeat this process for multiple LED. Step 3. Connect a resistor between the cathode of the LED and the negative power rail of the breadboard. Repeat this process for all the LED present in the circuit. Step 4. Connect the battery's positive and negative terminals to the breadboard's power rails. Step 5. Connect the anode of the LED to the positive power rail of the breadboard. Repeat this process for all the LED present in the circuit. Now, click on Start Simulation to see the circuit in action.